Introduction to Machine Learning in Python. What is machine learning? Machine learning is the subfield of artificial intelligence which is broadly defined as the capability of machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. Artificial intelligence systems are used to perform complex tasks in a way that is similar to human solves of problems. What is machine learning in other words? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate and predict outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning is algorithms or hierarchical data as input to predict new output values. What is machine learning? A subfield of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is an area of computational science that focuses on analyzing and interpreting patterns and structures in data to enable learning, reasoning, and decision making outside human interaction. Machine learning, deep learning are both types of AI. In short, machine learning is the AI that can automatically adapt with minimum human interface. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the learning process of human brain. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which use essentially a neural network with three or more layers. This neural network attempts to simulate behavior of the human brain, albeit from the matching its ability, allowing it to learn from large amount of data. What is deep learning in other words? How does deep learning works? Deep learning networks learn by discovering interactive structures in data they experience. By building computational models that are composed of multiple processing layers, the networks can create multiple levels of abstracting to represent data. What is Why is deep learning used? When there is a lack of domain understanding of feature introspection, deep learning techniques outshines other as you to worry less about feature engineering. Deep learning really shines when it comes to complex such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Why deep learning is more accurate? Because deep learning program can create complex statistical models directly from its own iterative output. It is able to create accurate predictive models from large quantities of unlabeled, unstructured data. AI. AI is a like human mimicking. What is AI explains? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expertise systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. What are the 10 ways AI used today? Here are the 10 AI important roles in helping human with their everybody everyday requirements. Voice assistants, entertainment streaming apps, personalized marketing, smart input keywords, navigation and travels, gamified therapy, self-driving vehicles, facial recognition techniques. What is AI example? Apple Siri, Google Now, Amazon Alexa, and Microsoft Cortana are one of the main examples of AI in everyday life. These digital assistants help users to perform various tasks from checking their schedules and searching for something on web to sending comments to another app. What are the examples of deep learning? 8 practice examples of deep learning are visual assistants, translations, vision of driverless delivery trucks, drones and automated cars, chatbots and service bots, image colorization, facial recognition, medical and pharmaceutical applications. personalization, shopping, and entertainment. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Machine learning, deep learning are the is within the group of artificial intelligence. Artificial development of smart systems to machines that can carry out the tasks or typical requirements of human intelligence. Machine learning. Machine learning creates the algorithm that to learn from the data to make decisions based on the patterns observed, requires human interventions when decision is required. Deep learning uses the artificial neural network to research accurate conclusions without human intervention. What are the four basic machine learnings? Machine learning techniques are divided mainly into following four categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, supervised, and semi-supervised. These are the machine learning type of machine learnings: unsupervised, supervised, reinforcement, and again unsupervised clustering and damage reduction, and supervised again classification and regression problems. These are the different problems in image classification and end fraud. It is a classification problems, and regression is the weather prediction, weather forecasting, market forecasting is the regression problems. These are the reinforcement learning, real time decisions and robot navigations, learning tasks, skills and gaming AI, and Netflix recommendations come under this. Netflix or Amazon recommendations are come under this reinforcement systems. Unsupervised learning, clustering, customer segmentation, and trending marketing and recommendation systems come under this clustering. Unsupervised learning, dimension reductions are big data visualization, meaningful comparisons, and structured discovery, feature allegations. What are the seven types of machine learning? The seven types of machine learning are what are the seven steps to machine learning? The seven steps of machine learning are data collection, the quality and quantity of the data, dictate to how to operate the model, data preparation. It involves data wrangling methods using various libraries in Python like pandas and numpy. Choosing a model. Choosing the models comes with a scikit-learning process, scikit library, and training the model also comes with the scikit-learn or PyTorch, Theano. Evaluate a model and matrix R square matrix something matrix will be evaluate the performance of the matrix, performance of the model to evaluate parameter tuning and how it will work. Parameters, some like parameters, what are the dependence parameters and how it vary parameters tuning, and make the final predictions. These are the steps involved in machine learning: problem definition, data preparation and processing, feature extraction, dataset testing, and performance evaluation. These are the libraries which supports the Python libraries for machine learning, artificial and deep learnings. Pandas, Pandas, NumPy, PyTorch, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, Keras, Scikit-learn, Theano, Plotly. Pandas and NumPys are used for data wrangling and data processing techniques. For in Python, PyTorch is a library of contents which contains of deep learning models, and scikit-learn also contains machine learning and deep learning models. Keras is a library of uh, uh, deep learning library. TensorFlow is also a deep learning library. Matplotlib is the uh, Python library used for visualization. Plotify is also a Python library for visualization. Which are the Python libraries for deep learning? NumPy is for data wrangling and data preparations. For SciPy is also scientific computation. Scikit-learn is it contains a machine learning and artificial intelligence deep learning models. Theano also has a deep learning model. TensorFlow is a deep learning model. Keras also deep learning model. PyTorch is a deep learning model. Pandas is a uh, Python library which supports data wrangling, data preparations. Python tools. These are the Python tools, frequently used tools in data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence. Pandas used for data analysis. SciPy algorithm used for the NumPy. Jupyter research collaboration tools. It is a library for Jupyter is a tool for working Python code. These are the libraries. Scikit-learn. These are the some of the important Matplotlib data visualization tool. Thank you.